Today, we members of Inovatez from SMK Convent Kajang will be presenting our product idea for DIY Made Simple 2024. Our group members consist of me, Gusimran, Kitika, and Mritika.
Problem statement 1. It is too hot outside for someone to water the plants in school. This is because nowadays Malaysia's weather can reach up to 38 degrees Celsius in the afternoon every day. This makes it inconvenient and harder for someone to water plants, especially in a school, as there is a large number of plants in a school compound. This will cause someone to face a high exposure of the sun, which is not good for the skin in long term. Statement 2. Watering plants in school takes too much time and energy. Watering plants in school takes too much time and requires cleaners to come to school every day, including weekends. Not only that, a lot of energy is needed to water all plants, as the plants are placed throughout the school.
Since majority don't have the time to water their plants, we have come up with a solution, a product as in a solar water planting system. What else would you need? It's hot almost every day in Malaysia, so you don't have to worry about checking on your plants. The solar panel will do its work.
Our idea is not only eco-friendly, it saves the time and energy of our school gardeners who need to water the plants regularly on a weekly basis. The solar water planting system ensures the plants have enough water during the sunny days, making sure it doesn't wilt due to quick evaporation happening. With healthy plants, it will continue to be the natural cooler for Malaysia's hot weather.
This is our rough sketch. The sketch you're seeing right now is just a rough draft of how our finished product will look like. Our product is called Solar Powered Plant Watering System. As the name suggests, it is solar powered as we are using a solar plate for it. Some other materials can be seen in the sketch, such as the DC water pump, cardboard, wire, plastic, and straw. Here is the list of things we will be using to build our product. Scrap cardboard, solar panel plate, sunboard, a DC water pump, paper straws, plastic bottles, strong glue, and wires. The estimated cost to make our product is about RM40. Because the estimated cost is about RM40, it can easily be mass produced because of its low price to help others who are experiencing problems to ensure their plants are getting all the water it needs in the weather we are facing right now.